Okay class, it's time for Behaviour Card Day. Gold is the best and red is the worst.
Yes, I've got the yellow card.
Good job, Rodney. You get 5 years off.
Yeah. I've got a blue card.
That's right, Fender. You get a year off.
Mr. Behaviour, come to the office, please.
Hey Ratchet, let's steal the gold card from MJ and Parker.
Good idea, Nayr. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, what? A gold card, give them back, Nayr and Ratchet.
No, fuck you girls. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, I'm backhand. One way to aim any of Nailuj at Ratchet. Why do you two steal gold cards from MJ and Piper?
Because we feel like it. Ha 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 ha.
That's it, you two boys are in dead meat. Go home right now.
There, Nayluj, how dare you cheat on Behaviour Card Day with Ratchet? That's it, you're grounded for 500 years.
Ratchet, how dare you cheat on Behaviour Card Day with Nailuj? That's it. You're grounded for 2,000,000,000 years. Go to your room.